Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you want Gumroad to trigger actions in other apps instantly. So that's totally doable since webhooks allow your store to send real-time data to other systems. So in today's small tutorial we're gonna go through how to connect Gumroad to external apps using webhooks in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So before even going to basically Zapier or webhook settings, you want to go all the way and look for Gumroad.com. Tap on the website, it will take you automatically onto a new tab where you should just log in using your email address and password to access this dashboard. As for now, we're going to go all the way to tap on settings, look for advanced. As you see here, we have custom domain, mass block emails, Bing applications. As you see, you can even, this is your app basically, or you can even create application if you want to. So then we want to find the webhooks link field. Enter the endpoint link of the service you want to receive data from. For example, this is our applications. You can learn more about them if you tap on this one. As you see, create an application for the API. All of these informations. Example app, any account, redirect link, all of these. Or we can also try and access it from here. Okay, let's try webhooks by Zapier. Not this way, web HCR. Okay, let's go back and select webhooks. Webhooks. Here we go. We're gonna select this app. When this happens, for example, it's a new sale. And you can basically put a custom request or whatever you want. Then you can integrate it for free or search with Google for free. Then save the changes and publish it to see if it's fully working. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.